The series has been in the making for 5 years already, ever since they started writing the script, and maybe another year for editing. Well, we finished shooting na po. We shot for a year and a half, pero all in all, parang the series has been in the making for 5 years already, ever since they started writing the script, and maybe another year for editing, for post prod, and hopefully maybe by third quarter next year po sana ay maipalabas na ho kami.
And dito ba lahat sa Philippines shinook yun or meron
Yes
din kayo
po.
sa
Yes, everything from the production to the location to the writers, lahat po Philippines. And it's actually, I believe, the first ever full series of HBO na ginawa nila talagang 100% dito sa Pilipinas. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I am absolutely dreaming and hoping for that. Sana ho mapansin din ho ng mga uh, writers, ng mga direktor ng industriya sa ibang bansa. Kasi malay mo natin, mabigyan pa ho tayo ng opportunities para ho maipakita natin sa kanila kung ano ho yung kaya nating mga Pilipino. Honestly, kaming lahat po that are part of the production and part of the show, kapag nakikita-kita kami, kapag napag-uusapan namin, we actually are excited and longing for it to finally show kasi ang tagal na rin ho eh. And well, because the pandemic happened, so wala naman ho talaga tayo magagawa doon. Pero malapit na siya, and again, we finished shooting it. Inabot man kami ng isa't kalahating taon. But still we did it, and konti na lang hopefully mapapalabas na ho namin because ang ganda-ganda ho nung project.
Concept. Kasi I've been covering HBO Asia, and if I'm not mistaken, yan yung unang Halfworlds na concept na Filipino yung story.
Yes po.
Usually, actually, kasi parang Indonesia yan or Malaysia yung
The first 2 seasons po of Halfworlds, one is done in Jakarta and the other one in Bangkok. Season 3 po ang Philippines. And actually, wala pa po atang full-on series, full-on season ang HBO ng isang series na talagang fully Philippines.
Basta yung Halfworlds, di ba, it has something to do with the concept of vampires or something? Ano yung pwede mo lang i-share dun sa just a bit.
Okay, ang concept po ng overall, ang concept po ng Halfworlds is so it's shot in a different country per season. And it's called Halfworlds because it focuses on the folklore of each country it is shot in. So kung dito ho sa atin sa Pilipinas, kung ano ho ang folklore natin dito, meaning may mga aswang, may mga tikbalang, yan. Yun ho ang takbo ng story ng Halfworlds.
Tapos sa December 5, premiere na rin ng HBO Asia yung Folklore 2 eh. And then
talaga po.
Yung episode ni Direct Eric Mati yung ipapalabas, it focuses on mangkukulam or witchcraft. Ayun. So yun, ako personally, I'm really excited no na mapanood yung Halfworlds.
Salamat po. It's been so long.
Iba din kasi when you're working with with an international original production eh.
Yes, iba po. Actually, sinasabi ko nga when I was working with them, kinikwento ko po sa team ko and actually sa co-artists ko kapag nagpapakwento sila. It was such a wonderful and unique experience na sana ma-experience din ng iba pang mga aktor kasi ang sarap. For me, I describe it as parang pinagsama-samang teleserye, commercial at pelikula. And iba yung sistema kapag kumbaga Hollywood system ang sinusunod. Iba yung oras, iba yung preparations. You have so much time to study and you have so much time to prepare for and to plan what you really want to do. So talagang kapag nakasalang ka, yung Kumbaga plakado na po.
Yeah.
Mm, mm.